we're in Ronda, and there is a reason. One of the main reasons why we're here is because of Millie.
Yes.
Check the description for her channel. She recommended this for us. From what we've seen so far, definitely recommend coming. I mean, look at this. And if you like places like this, if you look in our back catalogue, have a look for Cuenca.
Yeah, Cuenca's beautiful, but have a look down in the gorge as well, and all the way around there. And honestly, it's absolutely stunning.
We're 2 hours from Nerja, about an hour and a half, give or take, from Malaga.
Probably
you can
about
do it in a day if you
probably
want
about
to.
6 hours from us.
But definitely worth coming for a look from what we've seen so far. We're going to take you around the rest of the town, show you a few bits and pieces. Let's go. Hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Oh, Millie. Our turn to return the favour, get to Cuenca.
Yeah, definitely get to Cuenca.
Yeah.
We are in Ronda. We are in a square that I can't remember the name of.
Is it Sorolla or something like that? I'm not sure.
And we're in a restaurant called Las Campanas. It's a taparia cafe.
It's Las Campanas, it's not got an N yet. Las
sorry.
Campanas.
We've ordered a few tapas to share. And we'll show you those, but
Yeah,
basically
I think we forgot what we've got because
we've ordered
Yeah, we just ordered everything.
Yeah.
Melva with pimientos, which is
Melva's like a little bit like tuna.
yeah, with roasted peppers. Queso paello, which is
A local goat cheese to Ronda.
caramelizada.
So
Did I
that's
say that right?
caramelizada. It's
pork cheeks.
caramelized pork cheeks
Croquetas caseras, homemade croquetas.
and rabo de toro,
Yeah.
which is oxtail. Tortilla de patatas con salsa de roquefort. So it's Spanish omelette with a roquefort sauce. That's interesting. Andy's started on wine. It's early and me and my dad are on little beers.
If you'd seen the bloody car parking, in fact, we've been in 2 car parks while we've
No,
been
you've
here.
not. You've been in 3 car parks while we've been here. You went in hotel car park as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the car parking spaces are quite tight, to say the least. The first one, it couldn't
get the
even
car
get in
in.
the car parking space, and Andy's quite good. I'm glad I weren't parking. In fact, I had to get out of the car.
Yeah, so the car parking, I took about 1,000 miles worth of tread off the tyres trying to get up the ramp because it was wheel spinning bizarrely. It was just horrendous.
And the parking space, this is a very old historical city, so the car parks are
In
sparse.
limited spaces, but they've managed
And
to find
yeah,
it.
and the space that they've had to put the car parks in is tiny, and they've got supporting pillars in them as well. So to actually get around the pillars, you need to do a 3-point turn almost, and
How many?
it's just scary. It's scary. And then the parking spaces are made for cars that were around sort of 30 and 40 years ago, which are sort of half the size of what they are now.
So this is the local cheese. This is a Melva with roasted peppers. We have 2 portions of croquetas, and this is a carriada. This is a tortilla de patatas con salsa de roquefort. So basically Spanish omelette with roquefort sauce.
The croquetas are lovely. They're more of a drier consistency than what I'm used to, but they're really, really tasty. They might be chicken, do you think?
It's very strong. It's nice though. It's one of those that you couldn't eat a massive amount of. Got a little bit of the carriada, and it's like it's like it's caramelised. Is that what it said it was?
It says
anyway?
caramelised, yeah.
It's very sweet, but it doesn't fall apart in your mouth.
I think it's nice.
It's not bad. And this is the rabo de toro.
to a restaurant tonight for tapas, just at the side, not the one that's directly at the side of the bridge, but one very close by the bridge. So we'll also show you what that's like.
Nightmare. Lost control of the drone for a change, and it's gone careering into a tree somewhere over the other side of the gorge. So what I've got to try and do now is work out how to get there and see if we can find the flipping drone. I'm now Charlie Ackerd. There will not be any other drone footage apart from the couple of seconds that I got, but I got it back. It's slightly battered. I need to order some new propellers where it hit the tree. Oops. But hey, got it back. Lives another day. We are on a street that, if you can see behind me, goes on for quite a way. It's just full of shops, bars and restaurants. It's shaded, and you can see how far up there it goes. We're just having a mooch, see what else there is to see around here. There's your usual trinkets and tat shops as well as other stuff. But it's nice just to have a mooch around somewhere different. We're in Plaza del
Socorro, I think.
I think that's how you say it. We'll put a thing in here that tells you. It's quite a nice little square actually.
Yeah, the drinks are a bit expensive on here though, so just beware.
Yeah, I'm just going to quick pan around. Oh, by the way, this is Hercules and the lions.
Can he get a thorn out of the lion's paw, Hercules? Was that him? I don't know.
We're going to see if we can stick our nose in to this church, and I'll put the name of the church in at the bottom, or one of us will, and we'll show you what it's like inside. When did I start not being very good with heights?
You didn't know you had a fear of heights until we went to Cuenca, did you?
Well, no, there was we used to manage an apartment in Torrevieja. This is just things that I do for you lot. Jesus Christ, this is proper messing with my head. Anyway, enough of that. Stunning scenery, but I don't know. Just don't know. Oh well. We've just stumbled across this church.
It's the Church of Santa Maria de Mayo in Nurca. This is beautiful.
Where?
No,
Ronda.
in Ronda, sorry.
We're going to be quiet, but we'll take you for a look. I need to duck.
So do I, actually.
That's it for us for 24 hours in Ronda.
Yeah, we've had a great time. Plenty to explore for 24 hours, to be honest with you. I don't think we've seen all of it, have we?
No.
Beautiful little place.
Yeah, it really is. A lot of walking, yeah.
Beautiful.
Beware, a lot of walking and a lot of hills. So if you're not quite as able-bodied as some other people, just be aware of that. It is quite a hike in a lot of places.
If you've enjoyed this one, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down.
If
or
you've not enjoyed it,
leave
don't give
us-
us a thumbs down if you have enjoyed it.
Leave us a comment if you want to leave us a comment. We always answer comments.
And that's it from us.
Have a good one. See you soon.
Hasta pronto.
Adios.
Adios.